about the science. Okay? Now, come closer. What is happening here? See, some bubbles are going up, right? Which is normal. But some bubbles are going down also. How it is happening? We will see that while doing the processing. We will take one container. We took the transparent one so that will be visible. Now we will add some amount of baking soda. This is sodium bicarbonate. So we added baking soda. Now we will pour vegetable oil, normal vegetable oil. Okay. Now there are two states, right? One is solid, another one is in liquid. Okay? Now any color we can choose. What color we will
Which
take?
color you want?
Red, blue.
Blue.
Okay. So this is nothing but vinegar. I mean acetic acid
Acetic acid.
and water. It is diluted acetic acid, and I added food color in it.
Food color.
So that the scenery will be beautiful. That's it. The reason for adding food color is that's it. For looking good. Now, if I pour it into this, two liquids are there. Which liquid will stay in the below and which will stay in the upper?
Vegetable oil will go down,
This will stay up.
and vinegar will stay up.
Oh, lighter liquid will be
Okay.
floating.
Tell me why do you say that?
The density.
Density, right? But the density of which one is more?
Oil.
Okay, listen. There are two words we are always confused. One is viscosity, another one is density. Okay? This is more viscous. Viscosity is the
Thickness.
which resists to flow. So this has more viscosity. This is less viscous, but this is more dense. This has more density than
That is why oil is floating, right, on
Now
water.
if I pour this, more denser liquid will go down. Okay? Okay,
what-
fine. This is why you came, no? You will learn. Okay. Now this liquid has acetic acid in it, and now this acetic acid is reacting with the sodium bicarbonate that is sitting below. Okay. Now the reaction we can see there is acetic acid and sodium bicarbonate. Acid and base both are reacting to give one salt and water. Okay. One more thing is evaporating, that is carbon dioxide. Now this is the reason for the scenario. The carbon dioxide is usually air. When air is entrapped in any liquid, that will try to go up, right? So here carbon dioxide are forming bubbles in it. Yeah. So those bubbles are actually entrapping those liquids also inside of it. Okay. So the carbon dioxide is trying to go up and evaporate into the air for more stability. And now here carbon dioxide is left. Now the bubble has some amount of water in diluted acetic acid. So that is again more dense. That will try to go down. So bubbles are going up because of the carbon dioxide, and drops are going down because it is more denser. It has no longer carbon dioxide. Okay, so if we put this in a dark room with light below, so this beautiful scene we can see. This because of this light and this effect we named it as lamp. Now this phenomena that bubbles are going up, carbon dioxide is getting released. If we add red color into it, it will be like lava.
So that's why it's lava lamp.
That is why it is lava lamp. I'll show you. Here I just need to add some more acid. Okay, we will see in light. acid. It is cool, right?
Nice.
This reaction is simple only. Acid, base. Reacting, giving salt and water. But that just the release of carbon dioxide is making it more cooler.
What do you call this reaction? Acid reacts with the base. Neutralization.
And that's what I told Chandra.